Hey, YouTubers, thank you for finding me in my little corner of the world. And if you're back again, hi. Alrighty, this one might upset, trigger, or annoy some of you. And it's a good thing, right? Because that tells us what we need to be focused on and doing. So here it is. When you're trying to build your business, you are not going to get paid for activity. You get paid for the results you create. And in the early days of your business, results in my world means sales, not engagement, not content, not having the flashiest website out there, not even, but Liz, I'm working really, really, really hard. I'm doing all of these things. It comes down to this, it's sales. Now, here's where this can get uncomfortable because if you're like me, you didn't come into this industry to learn to sell and market. You came in because you wanted to be a coach, a teacher, a strategist, somebody who helps people with their transformation. We did not wake up thinking, I know what I'd like to do. I'd like to go off and learn how to sales and market to other people. But the second you decided to start your own business, you no longer just signed up to be the coach, the teacher, the trainer, which insert your role there, right? You signed up to become a business owner. And the reality of that is businesses must make revenue, so businesses must sell. And here's what I see quite regularly. And look, don't get me wrong, this was me. Smart people, very capable people, people with massive hearts, people working from the perspective of I truly want to help these people, right? I see them building lots of courses. I see them tweaking their masterclasses, their webinars, their slide sets over and over and over again. I watch them struggle with their websites. They look like they want to perfect the copy, like they don't want to release it until it is perfect. So it's content heavy and they feel busy and they feel productive and they feel brilliant. But here's the problem. They're not actually selling and they're not improving the skill set that is required to sell. And the reality is very, very clear, right? If you are not selling, you are not creating your business. Because if you're not out there actively making those offers to help people, there is no revenue coming in, and businesses by nature are revenue generating machines. So it means that you've just got a little bit of a hobby. And I say that with the greatest amount of love because guess what I did for the first 3 whole years of my business? I had. Okay, I told myself, I'm building this thing. I'm refining. I'm getting my core pieces of work all together. And when I'm ready, I'm going to go out there and I'm going to get all my new leads in and I'm going to sell to them. Yeah, not so much, right? So do not get me wrong. Clients are everything. And once you have them, then the pendulum swings because you've got to get them results. But you've got to have clients before you can get them results, right? And when you have clients, you're going to get referrals. And if you've got referrals, then that creates sustainability. And you can take your foot off the selling accelerated a titch. But honestly, once you understand that what you are selling is the transformation, it is what you're here to help people do, then there is no need for sales to become icky or sleazy or manipulative, which is what I hear quite a lot because you're not selling something that's not going to work. You're selling transformation. And when you are clear about that and you are confident about that, then you cannot help but make offers to help the person that you see struggling with the thing that they do not need to struggle with because you have the answer for them. So I want you to really think about that because if you are uncomfortable about selling, if you have that thought in your brain right now, but Liz, I don't want to sell because blah, 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 blah. I want you to dial that back and I want you to sit in the discomfort that that's giving you because that tells you that's an area of growth. And if that's hitting a nerve and you're slowly realizing you have been busy, but there is no revenue coming in, I am running a live session where we unpack this in a lot more detail. It's not a masterclass, it's not a slide fest, it's you, me, yickety yakketing with the old whiteboard. You bring your business in, I help you with your business and we unpack it. I'm calling it, you know what to do, so why can't you do it? Because most of us know exactly what we want to do or what needs to be done in our businesses. But the thing that really has to be done, we cannot bring ourselves to do it. So if that sounds interesting, the link is below or in the show notes or, where it normally is in YouTube. And if you like direct, slightly annoying, with fun though, but actually conversations from somebody who is an industry professional, like I haven't just built my own business. I have been in hundreds of business all around the world, helping different teams, helping different clients, helping different industries deliver revenue into their business. This is not my first rodeo. I'm quite unique in the coaching world from that perspective. So if you've not tasted that, come on into the room, because the only way for you to build a successful business is to learn to do what you know you should be doing but can't quite do. And once you overcome that, then you can achieve that dream that you have. So remember this. What got you here will not get you there. Facts. So let's figure this out and let's change it. If you are finding this interesting, please feel free to hit the subscribe button so you get my regular updates, and give me a thumbs up if it really resonates. And if you want to, flick me an email, liz@lbfundamentals.com, because I answer every single one and I love to hear from you. Other than that, have a delightful day out there, and hopefully I'll see some of you in my workshop. Take care, everybody. Bye.